Hey foodies! Welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today we have a fun and unique twist on traditional tacos. Let's call it taco cupcakes. Let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter or oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the ground beef, sprinkle in the onion powder. Next is paprika powder, and then salt and pepper to taste. Cook until the beef is browned and fully cooked. Now set aside. Here are the rest of the ingredients for our taco cupcakes. Let's start by chopping the onion. Next is dice the cucumber. Cut this as you can see in this video. And then put them on the plate. Let's cut our tomatoes as well. Chop the cabbage as well. So healthy and so colorful. I grated my cheddar cheese using my cheese grater. I use oil to grease my cupcake pan. Place 24 wonton wrappers in a cupcake pan using 2 wrappers per cupcake to form a sturdy cap. As you can see, they look like flower petals, don't they? Now fill each wonton cup with a layer of cooked beef. Mix the tomato paste and ketchup together, then spoon a bit of this mixture over the beef. Now let's add the layer of cheddar cheese. And while doing so, you can preheat your oven to 375 or 190 degrees Celsius. Let's bake this for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, top each taco cupcake with shredded cabbage, chopped onion, tomatoes, and cucumber. For the final touch, add the plain Greek yogurt on top of each taco cupcake. These bite-sized delights are perfect for parties, family dinners, or anytime you crave a burst of taco flavor in a fun new form. Finish this with a few slices of black olives. And there you have it. It's delicious taco cupcakes that are sure to be a hit. Before I take the first bite, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this culinary journey. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. This is Dollie'cious Cravings again saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.